eMpumalanga abasebenzi bathi ababuyele emva. Amalunga wama-yuniyoni iTransnet aragela phambili nokungala umsebenzi begodu babhalile ukuthi bakhushulelwe imirholo nge-1.5% kunye nange-3%. Abasebenzi ababathi lokhu ebakubeka etafuleni emva nje kuyihlamba kibo ngombana impilo seyibiza khulu.
We demand a better increase for the employees because of the price of the cost of living that's been increased currently, and it's escalating daily.
It's not enough. How much is 3% of a general worker? We really can't accept that. Due to the cost of living, everyone is affected.
Isaac Ngomane we-United National Transport Union uthi umtjhagalo lo uliya ukusebenza kwa-Transnet.
There will be some shortages of petrols, diesels in garages. And another thing, we're transporting coals to Eskom to generate electricity. So that's going to affect even Eskom. We don't know, because even now Eskom is in crisis of load shedding.
Ama-yuniyoni athi akabuyele emva kilokhu akufunako.
Last time he was talking about 1.5%, and now she's saying 3%. So maybe if we can come to 12%, maybe we can accept that 12%. But the 3% is a no.
Estatimende nesikhishwe iTransnet sitlolo ukuthi umtjhagalo lo awusisemthethweni. Nanyana kunjalo abasebenzi bafungile ukuthi bazokuragela phambili nokutjhagala ukufikela la inlilo zabo zilalelwa khona. Umtjhagalo lo kungenzeka uthinte ngumbu umnotho wenarha le njengombana uthinta amadoyelo wenkepe nokuhamba kwentimela nje.
eKapa abasebenzi bebatjhagala ngaphandle kwedoyelo lakhona lenkepe. Bathi Transnet yephula umthetho wabasebenzi ngokubhalelwa kubeka imithetho yokutjhagala. Ama-yuniyoni athi azokuthatha nanyana yini engaphezulu kwe-inflation kodwana lokhu ekubekwa etafuleni njenganje abakuvumi.